Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. All right, allergy season's coming. I'm giving you one last update, one last warning to try to help all of you allergy sufferers and all the dust in your house. Now, I know a lot of people in the north are still dealing with blizzards and snow and all that stuff, but it's coming. The pollen is coming. I know because it's hit full effect here in Florida. For those of you that are suffering pretty bad, I can tell you this stuff right here, it works. So, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood, and Alex Guzman, and Silver Grizzly. He's got a lot of names. So, if you have one of the air purifiers that we have in the tools list that has this front cover, I'm going to give you a bunch of hints and tips to be able to use when you cut off your big roll of tackified material. Now, when you cut off your big roll, you'll end up with a strip this wide left over. So once you cut that off there, that piece and that piece, you'll end up with this piece left over. Don't worry, you'll cut that and lay it over on the inside, cut it off so you get extra filtration. So with that said, this is 1 week. The difference between, and it even sucks up those little tiny flies and fruit flies that come in your house. It sucks those up, the ones that get through the screen. There's no screen that'll keep them out. So when you open your door, they fly in. But look how dirty that is compared to this. Consuelo says it's really dirty, and it's very obvious. 1 week with this system. Oh, and we have a great quick tip at the end of this video. You do not want to miss that one. It's a good tip. Remember, these videos are just to help you gain more common sense and be smarter. You can use these tips that we give you in every video we give you on a lot of different things. So let's go in and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, so here's one of 4 that we have, and we actually have one of these in our motorhome as well. And I'm barefoot because it's Florida and nobody ever wears shoes. So if you have the system, when you first get it, you'll get the charcoal filter, which goes in here, of course. And then you'll get the regular filter. Make sure you put it in at airflow that way. And that goes like this. All right. You might as well use this up because you've got it. You might as well use it. There's a little red light that comes on right over here. Check filter. You can let that stay on. Do not let that make you change anything. You can leave that on until there's hardly any air blowing out here. So don't think you got to change the filter immediately. With that being said, inside is your charcoal filter. Then you have your factory filter. Then you have your pre-filter. Then cut a piece of your tackified material and put it over that. Because usually the cover will just go on. But we're going to put this on there. You're going to spray it 4 or 5 times every day until your symptoms of your pollen allergy or dog dust allergy or dander allergy or whatever allergy you may have, until that starts to subside. Spray that down every single morning. And as you know, soap attracts more dirt. And that video will be in the tools list. And pollen season in Florida is at full bore right now, and it's coming to you guys in the north. I know you're still getting blizzards and Arctic weather up there. That's why everybody's moving to Florida. They're sick of the cold and sick of other things, if you know what I mean. I'm going to leave that piece of dirty garbage there, but I can wash this. That's the best part of this material right here. Usable over and over and over again. That's the red light I'm talking about. Now, once you have used up your factory filters, because they gave them to you for free, or however many you get, you've used them up, You don't have to buy them again because they are not cheap. They really are not cheap. You take this and you can take this, cut the material off the back side, because these only last for maybe a couple of months or so with the carbon pellets in it for smell. You rip this netting off the back side. It peels right off. Just take a razor blade and cut it off and dump all these. Do it over a big trash can because they'll get all over the place. Then you can use this in there like this. Then I can take this little rig right here. I can put one right there. I don't have to spray this one down. I put the pre-filter in. Then I put this in. It has our soap on it. Take this. I can put that in like that. Now, that piece that I told you about, you're cutting so you don't waste it. Take that and put it over it. Like that. Now you've got triple filtration. When you crank this thing up, there's no dirt, dust, pollen, dog dander, anything that can get out of this nice clean air here. And you don't have to crank it up either. You can just run it down on 2 if you want. But that mixture right there is the best we've ever come up with, and it's dirt cheap to be able to use. Every morning you spray that down. And the best part again is that these are washable. Alright, here's your quick tip right here. Say that you just broke your handle right here. This snapped off. It's aluminum and it corroded over time. But the problem is you need the toilet right now, and it's not like you can go and run to Home Depot or Walmart or wherever to get a new one of these. So this is all you have to do. You take that off the chain, take your drill gun, go in right here. You can even do it on the rod, but you would have to do it a smaller hole. Then, of course, you got to change the chain. They're a pain because you got to get it just right. Push that back. And don't pull it down into the bottom here till you check the rod, see where it's going to be. You want it snug. So I would say right there. Before I pull it down in there, I'm going to pretend that it is down in there. I'm going to flush it. Perfect. That's it. Fixed. Now, that'll probably last another 20 years. And you wouldn't have to do anything with it, but get another one ordered so you're ready to repair it if you want. There's your quick tip. GoPro stopped recording.